Hello everyone, welcome to my Bengali Learning Zone YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today we will learn Bengali numbers part 2. Earlier in part 1 we learned from 1 to 20. Today we will learn from 21 to 40. So let's begin. So here are the English numbers and here are the Bengali numbers, and here are the pronunciation of the Bengali numbers. So at first I will read English numbers and then I will read Bengali numbers together. So let's start. 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 30. I am repeating again. 21 21, 22 22, 23 23, 24 24, 25 25, 26 26, 27 27, 28 28, 29 29, 30 30. Next page. 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, 40 40. I am repeating again. 31 31, 32 32, 33 33, 34 34, 35 35, 36 36, 37 37, 38 38, 39 39, 40 40. Now I am only repeating Bengali numbers. 21 22, 23 24, 25 26, 27 28, 29 30, 31 32, 33 34, 35 36, 37 38, 39 40. I hope you have enjoyed my videos. If you like my videos, then don't forget to follow my Facebook page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks everyone.